Hello, welcome back. So this is our screencast 2 on page. Now, the videos are actually broken down. Of course, this is to enable us understand from like a step-by-step guide. I know not everybody might be computer savvy like me, so the idea is to ensure that we pass quality learning across. So, in a way, not to speed up things. I think this is something that I believe will help us. So here now we have like what's called 2A. So 2A is log into your school's Google account and launch Google site. So what we're gonna do now is move to the next slide. So the objective of this video now, this is to ensure that we can log into our school email and eventually launch Google Sites, because that's what we're going to be using. So A, you're going to log into this URL, https mail.google.com. Then B, you're going to enter your email address. If you remember the document that was sent to you, the document had something like this, webmaster at your school name.sc.ng. Then you click next. Then you will also enter your password. Then you are going to click next, and D, you will now have access to your school's Google account. So when you complete this task, you should have a page that looks like this, basically. But at the same time, I would like to show us how this works. So what I'm expecting us to do is, so you're going to launch your browser. I like Google Chrome. So what I expect us to do is you're going to type mail.google.com, right? So once you hit this mail.google.com, so you're going to come to a page that looks like this, right? So you will now type webmaster at okay, here you're going to type webmaster at notify, let's say academy, right? You say .sch, .ng, right? Sorry, ng, then you click next, and also you will do that for your password eventually. So for me, I'm going to use I'm using this account to to log in, basically to teachers, but I expect you to use yours for your school. You do that, you click next here, right? And what I expect us is so you're supposed to see a page that looks like this, right? Almost a replica of this page. So what you now do is you will come to this icon here on the top right. You could see me just moving the pointer on it. We could see Google Apps. So I expect us to click here. Now when you click, you're gonna have most of the things you need to work on Google Apps is always found here. So we're looking for sites. So I expect that we can't find sites here. So what you do is you click your hold, then you scroll down. There are more options down on things you can do. So we're looking for sites. We could see other things here. No, there's no sites here, right? So when you scroll down, you could see there's this text here which says more from Google. So we're gonna click here because what we're looking for a site. So let's do that. So when you have a page like this, that comes up. So what I expect us to do is, we're looking for sites. So and there are so many things here, So the fastest way for me sometimes is I press Control plus F, my keyboard, right? And I can type SITES, sites. And once you type in sites, that helps you, just locate it faster, because if you look on the right hand side there, you could see you could just be looking for it. And also this is a good way for us to use at least get to what we're looking faster. So now that we can see sites, this is what we're looking for. So what we'll now do now is to click on it. So when you click, everything opens. You're gonna have this. There's the first time I'm launching this tool. So welcome to new Google site. Effortlessly create beautiful sites for your team, project, or event. So you can click got it here. Got it. Yeah, so you're gonna have all of these. They look beautiful. So start your first site. Click, the addition sign, to create a new site. So we're gonna look for that sign now, and what we're looking for is here. You could see blank site. You could check all of this out, but what we're trying to do is to learn how to create the site from scratch. So there is no hurry now. Yeah, we're not gonna be building it in 4 to 5 minutes, because if we rush too fast, I think I'm teaching elders here. Not everybody's as young as me, so I like to take things slow. So to create a blank site, we just click this, basically, so once you click, it opens up, it loads. Yeah. Okay, so that's the first thing. Yeah, you see, yeah, basically. So the objective of this video is just for us to launch site, right? So I'll see us in the next video. Yes, thank you.